Hello and welcome to a latest video. This is a bit different. A bit different. Yes, a bit different. Do not get in the camera, Nancy, So, what we're going to do is, for example, let's show you some tech tips of this. So, first, we use the A button for certain things, such as the time on the main menu for this toy, a Tamagotchi clone, or something different, Bunny ROM, 1 in 168 or 168 in 1, time 12:47, of course. Then use D to select through different things. It should make noises like this. It's normal. If a flashing icon starts appearing, it needs a certain thing. If you want to earn gold, the quickest and easiest way is actually a bit of a holiday. But if it was a game, as what you do is, if you get this icon, you can cycle through this menu. Press the D button certain times and it should lead you through different menus. Let's go. And click, click, click. And you click A or B to press the game. You earned 4 gold. That's just a tech tip.
Try my tablet. Try my tablet.
8 gold.
Try my tablet. Yay! You and
Your squirrel badge.
3.
3 what? Then after you click D. It's pretty hard to use it. You earned 12 gold.
What me? So try on my tablet.
It's a pretty hard game, this one, especially when you are doing the camera all in one. It's pretty hard, this toy, but you can actually do a grind on this thing. It's because the pixel latency is... Oh dear. If that happens, a confused animal, then you may want to choose this feature. Then you may want to click on A or B. Reward 0. Then if you go back, then you may want to cycle by pressing D. Then click on the envelope. You earned... If that happens, press the D button until you click this. Press A or B, and that would get cleaned up. Then, oh Maggie, you little baby. You can be such a baby when I'm recording stuff. So, I am going to go to this.
Maggie's little baby. Maggie thinks it's her toy.
School, or whatever it is. Oh, shush. Then click on this. Circle. You earned 88 gold.
say sorry to him.
No, I cannot let you in the video because this video is made for ages 13 plus, not 18 plus. So, you can do something a bit strange on this. Press A. Computer. That might not work sometimes.
What?
Fun.
What's wrong?
Archie, I got mustache. Look.
Gold. 58. Then if you press C, that lends you back to main menu. Then you could use the medical bag if your pet is ill. Click the book icon. Then you can cycle through different numbers by clicking A or B or D to change the number, such as 444, the 12 trick.
Oh.
Then click A or B, then go to 4, then go to 4, and yeah, you earn some food. Hooray! Then, if you click A again, then you can instead, sorry for the shakiness, but you can do the 840 trick, which is magic. You earn some free food.
Yay.
And yeah. Or you can do, or you can click on A, then go to 9, 1, and then you click 2.
And then
Hooray!
the smoke.
You earned something. Now, let's go back to home and no flashing icons, which is good. That means your pet is in a normal condition, such as me, I've got the bunny. But hang on, something will appear in a minute or two, which is normal. It's just part of the pet, as it's just a little pet.
Let's like a rubber.
Yes, spitting facts, Nance. Then you click on D. Then you go to, these are your stats, such as me, clock, 5, me, rice, food, 15. Gold, 468. Really close to earning some things you can earn in the shop. Name, Sue. Then go to clear, and then you can click on this. This would feed your pet something. Of course, it might drop a pile of poo, which is strange. That's just a part of it. Then, love, computer. Earned 29 gold. And that's the very end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have learned something new with this. So, goodbye, subscribe, and Bernie says bye. Batteries might not be included, or yes.